This is a delicious homemade slow cooker green Thai curry recipe. It's a no-fuss, high-protein meal that brings together fresh flavours from the aromatic Thai green curry paste, ginger, garlic, and it slowly simmers away in a coconut-based sauce. It's a complete dish that proves that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Just simple ingredients coming together to create something wonderful. Sounds good? This is how you make it. First thing to do is to slice up an onion, and then we're going to fry that in some coconut oil until it's softened. Now you could skip this stage, and a lot of people just bung onions straight into the slow cooker, but if you do that, you're essentially just boiling an onion. This just gives it way more flavour. So fry it first, and then add in equal measures of garlic and ginger and give that a further minute before adding it to the slow cooker. Like I said, you can skip on it to save time, but you'll just get way more flavour doing it this way. Then add in 80 grams of Thai green curry paste from a jar. You could make your own, but I'm using from a jar and it tastes pretty damn tasty. Along with 2 tablespoons of fish or soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and some brown sugar. You could use honey if you wanted, but I think brown sugar is better for this. Along with 20 grams of corn flour to help thicken things up. Then we're going to use coconut milk. Make sure you use the full fat kind. If you use light, it'll just split and be a watery mess, so use full fat coconut milk. Then stir all of that through. You could add some chili powder or chili flakes or fresh chilies at this stage. I've skipped them because I'm cooking for the kids, so I want it to be pretty mild. Add in your 1 kilo of chopped up chicken breast, and then you just mix it all through so it's nicely combined. Pop the lid on it and give it 4 to 5 hours on low. Also, at this point in the video, if you could hit that like button, it really does help me out. It means more people are likely to see this video. Then all you need to do is serve it up, garnish with salmon green, and get stuck in. So there we go, slow cooker green Thai chicken curry. Now I'm not sure about you, but I absolutely love Thai food and I love to cook it. So drop me a comment below and let me know what your favourite Thai recipe is. And if I've not already cooked it on this channel, I will do my best to try and cook it in a future video. So drop a comment below, let me know your favourite Thai recipe. Give this a go, let me know what you think. And if you want the full recipe for this, there'll be a link below in the description. You can get it with the macros and the calories and so on. And yeah, all that's left is for me to say thanks so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you back on the channel again soon. See ya.